Hello and welcome to the Pony channel. Today we're going to go through how to create this brow look using our brow powder duos with our Pro Brow Brush and the Brow Pop as well to create a little bit of extra definition. Our brow powder duos, so named pretty aptly, they contain a lighter shade and a deeper shade, so you can create either a natural brow, an ombre brow, or a really nice bold brow effect. A little bit more versatile with the two colors in there, and it also contains 2 grams of product, so it's a lot of product to use, and it's a nice little handy little compact, so it fits really nicely in your makeup case. It is a really nicely finely milled powder as well, so you can blend it really easily without it looking chunky or block-like. So here we go. I'm going to be using the thoroughbred brow powder. So as you can see, it's got the 2 different colors, which is the duo powder, but a lighter one for if you're wanting to use it for a more natural brow, or the darker to make an ombre effect, or even just a nice bold brow. So I'll go in with my Pro Brow Brush with the darker to begin with. Just going to line underneath the brow, get the arch right, and then I'll fill in the rest of the tail so it's got more of a sort of a bold look. And then it's important to brush product through with the spoolie on the other end so it blends nicely and you don't end up with that little block look. Then I will pick up the light color and just feather that through the very front of the brow, continually blending so that I don't get any harsh block lines. Now I can see there's a couple of gaps and I want to fill those in, so I'm going back in with the dark color. So that's them filled in. You can see it's a lot bolder and fuller compared to the other side, but I will add a little bit more definition with our Brow Pop pencil. So I'll start with we use the concealer side today, so it's not too harsh a line, it's just a nice smooth line. Again, I'm going in with like a clean Pro Brow Brush to really get in there and get the line sharp and give the whole brow some extra definition. Then finally, to add a little bit more volume and hold all of the hairs in place, I'm going to go in with the Zebra Brow Gel. It will hold everything in place, but also make it a little bit fluffier. That's the difference between a completed brow and before. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side. Going to also add a little bit of Brow Pop to the top of the brow, just to fill in anywhere where I might have blended out any additional foundation. So this is my brows completed. As you can see, they're a lot bolder, they've got a lot more definition and shape, and then there's no gaps. The Brow Pop also helped create that really nice additional line underneath that made them pop. No pun intended. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, give us a little thumbs up, and we'll be back with more.